Hey guys, welcome back to another Tesla update video. Today we talk about my thoughts and what to expect next with Tesla. As you can see, pretty brutal day here for the bulls, down 3%. But guys, it's not the end of the world. As you can see, we've been in this rising channel for a while now, and this bottom trend line holding us up as support. And we did fall below that trend line as a little false breakdown. And look at that. Now we're just retesting that trend line. That's all it is. That's what it looks like right now. So we're just retesting that trend line. Along with that 1 hour SMI, guys, is all the way at the bottom of the indicator. And you can look for yourself. But every time this does happen, we tend to get a nice little bounce. Let's see right here. Get a nice little bounce up. Here, bounce up. See, it's pretty consistent among Tesla that every time that 1 hour SMI gets to the bottom of the indicator, we tend to find at least a short-term bottom and reversal. Yeah, guys, that 4 hour SMI was all the way at the top of the indicator. Now giving us some breathing room. Tesla does like to chop at the top of this 4 hour SMI when we're in bullish momentum, bull mode. So hopefully we're in bull mode, guys. But before we get too far deep into it, guys, I do have a Discord where I post live trading updates with both Tesla and Nvidia every single day. I'll post about 10 updates for each stock, letting you know key levels to look out for, good buying positions, stuff like that. And guys, if you have any questions at all, you can drop them in the community chat. And that's only $5 a month. That link is in the description. Definitely go check it out. People really seem to like it. But getting back into it, guys, going into tomorrow. Well, first of all, I want to say that we do have Tesla earnings on Wednesday. And that, that's going to be a big deciding factor of how the stock one moves, right? I would not be surprised if we kind of just stayed kind of calm before the earnings on Wednesday, maybe chop around 440-ish, maybe scare some more bulls, scare some more bears, something like that. But I would assume that our price action is going to be pretty muted, nothing too major up or to the downside. And I say that because normally going into earnings, we tend to stay pretty neutral because that earnings is going to be the big move, the big deciding factor where we want to go. So, but going into tomorrow, we could get a little price action. So let's talk about it, guys. We did fall. We did close in the mid 430s, which does open up a path back down to this fair value. But guys, if we look at that 1 hour SMI, we don't have much more room to go to the downside. So if we do come down to this fair value, it's going to be super quick, and we're going to get a quick bounce up. Excuse me. So this is probably a pretty decent buying position. Not financial advice, okay? Not financial advice. But if we do get down there, it's probably going to be for pretty quick because this is going to go down and it's probably going to just snap back up. But guys, if we do just find some more bullish momentum like we had on Friday, and this is truly just a retest back into this trendline support, then I would not be surprised if we came back up to this 444 low that we made on Friday, guys. And of course, we have to reclaim this 438 key level first. But and guys, if we can do that, I do think that we will make our way back up to that 444 mini target right there. So that would be reclaiming 438 as support, getting a nice bounce from there, going up to 444. And if we can break past that, yeah, my first main target is the mid 450s right here. This blue resistance, it was a clear resistance for a while. So that'll be my next real target, my first real target. Of course, that mini target is 444. Of course, we have to claim 438 as support first. Yeah, I don't think we'll get anything too much more than that before earnings. But if we do break past that level, then we could see this blue zone in the mid 460s. That is the next move to the upside. But yeah, guys, to the downside, say we just like shite the bed. Guys, would probably come down to this fair value, get a nice bounce. That 1 hour SMI could come up, and then we get another move to the downside. But guys, I'm more bullish than bearish right now. I don't think, we just had a huge false breakdown to a big move up. So right here, I'm assuming this is just trying to give bears some hope, maybe shake out some bulls before we get a nice move up again. That's kind of how I'm thinking. If we do get down to this fair value, I'd say it's a pretty good time to buy. Not financial advice. But guys, with that 1 hour SMI all the way at the bottom and this daily candle looking like just a nice little retest, Yeah, guys, I don't really see us going any further down than 430-ish. That would be kind of surprising. And again, with earnings on Wednesday, we have FOMC towards the end of the week. Guys, I would not be surprised if we just kind of pinpointed around 440 and kind of just chopped. Excuse me. Kind of just chopped around 440, and then earnings hit, and then we either get, huge 5% move up, or we get that huge 5% move down. And guys, earnings, no one can predict earnings. No one knows like what the stock's going to do. If they say they know what they're going to do, they're just lying. They actually don't know. So yeah, guys, kind of the main thing is the calm before the storm right now. It's probably going to muted price action until Wednesday. And then once Wednesday hits, we'll get that big move up Tesla earnings. From there, we'll reevaluate, and we'll probably be heading in that respective direction that we move off earnings. So say we get a big 5% move up, then yeah, guys, we'll probably get close to all-time highs here soon. But guys, if we get that 5% move to the downside, then we could just be retesting this. We could be coming down to this breakout that we had a while ago with no retest, in the mid 300s. So yeah, guys, those are kind of the earnings and a little bit after predicted moves there. So that's about all I got for you. I don't think anything too crazy will happen until earnings. Probably just chop around 440-ish. But yeah, guys, look out for those key levels. If we go down to 430, probably going to get a nice bounce. If we start claiming 438 as support, watch for a move up to 444. And yeah, guys, that's about it. Watch out for earnings. We got a lot of stuff happening this week, so it's probably going to be a crazy volatile end of the week. Yeah, guys, I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Peace.